Hi, I'm Jeongwon from Pennsylvania State University. I'll be presenting the paper, Understanding and Balancing Trade-offs of Visibility in Support Requests I wrote with Jingyi and Dr. Carroll. With the prevalence of mobile technologies, the spectrum of sources where individuals can seek and get support has significantly expanded, and local support exchange platforms are one of them. Previous HCI studies have confirmed the benefits of such platforms, ranging from instrumental support exchange to reinforced community bonds and trust. However, it is common that online support exchange platforms face a significant lack of support requests compared to offers. Prior studies have presumed that this could be due to feelings of shame and indebtedness, which could be exacerbated when asking for instrumental support from strangers. To resolve the gap in prior studies and facilitate local support exchanges, we aim to answer these two research questions. What are the preferences and perceptions around the approaches to making support requests in online settings? How might online support exchange platforms be designed to reduce the psychological barriers to seeking help? We conducted a scenario-based survey to understand preferences and perceptions around the three support request approaches, which were public direct request, public indirect request, and private request. Participants read scenarios that requires instrumental support for money, childcare, and a place to stay, selected an approach they prefer, and articulated the reasons behind their choices. We found that participants preferred each approach for different reasons, which sometimes entailed trade-offs. Some participants preferred private or indirect approaches as they perceived increased assurance that they can get support, delivery of clear information, and privacy, while others preferred more public and direct approaches, expecting more prompt support offers, direct nature, and community belonging. Based on our findings, we came up with several future research and design implications. One of the research implications was that because our participants expected increased empathy would lead to favorable responses, this poses a future research question. If an individual has a stronger sense of community belonging, are they more likely to seek support despite perceived social costs of asking for help? Thank you for listening to my presentation, and you can find our paper at CHI 2024.